Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Forest night out in St. Louis. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful Friday. I know I am. Just got off an absolutely awesome, um, I guess, update, if you want to call it that, with the head of our Forex Trading Academy, Mr. Ben Wright. And what I want to do is I'm just going to do a quick screen share. I want to record what he shared with us. And what's really neat, and what's really blessed me is that I'm on a personal mission to help 1,200 families here in the St. Louis market earn a six-figure income. So it's a big statement, it's a big challenge, but I'm up for it. Absolutely excited to be doing that. If you're in the St. Louis market, or heck, anywhere in the world, and you think that would be a cool thing to do for your community, is to make an impact and help families in your community become six-figure income earners, I think we as a whole can change the economic, what do you call it, economic structure, the economic landscape of our communities if we have the right tools. And one of the cool things that I really enjoy doing, one of the products and services that we have, is we have a trading academy that we can share with people. It's not a business opportunity, but it's a trading academy that someone can actually register for, pay a monthly tuition, can go in and learn how to trade from expert traders. And we're this close to launching an app. And I'm going to share it. I'm going to leave that right there. I'm going to share it with you. If you're on LinkedIn, feel free to comment. If you're over on YouTube, feel free to comment. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm at 314-498-7688. Text me first. If you just call me, I'm probably not going to answer. So text me. Let me know who you are and why you want to chat, and then we'll set up a time to chat for sure, to make sure and get your questions answered. I can walk you through the dashboard so you can see how that works. I am extremely excited about this opportunity to share this with you. I'm going to do a screen share with you. Sometimes it's just easier to let somebody else do all the talking. If you'd like to get your account set up, you can go right here, scrolling across, go to itradefx.pro. It'll take you to a little cool, like the 2-minute video there. You don't have to watch that. Then there's another link that says more information. You go through, it's an interactive presentation. Then at the end, it'll give you an opportunity to enroll in the platform if that's something that you decide to do. So check this out. Let me do a screen share. He just went live today with this information. I thought it was pretty cool, so I'm going to share it with you. Hopefully the volume, it looks like the volume is up. Let me hit play, and I'm going to sit back and let it go, and you guys can decide how you want to move forward from there. There's the play button.
So let me go ahead and share my screen. Jamaica in the house, Ireland in the house. Nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. So do me a favor. If you are currently a participant in Elevate and you've been with us for more than 60 days, give me a 1 in the chat box if you've been with us for more than 60 days. If you are new or you've been with us for less than 60 days, give me a 9 in the chat box. I just kind of want to get an idea of who we got on here, what we're doing. Same thing on Facebook, all right? Either a 6, either a 1 or a 9. I'm going to go ahead and pull the Facebook up on my phone because I want to see them as well. I don't want to just see you guys, even though I love you guys. I got to see everybody, right? I promise you we're going to get started here in just a few seconds. Everything's working slow today, but it's all right. There we go. Everything's working slow today, but it's all right. All right. Got Facebook up, got you guys up. Let's make it happen. All right. So we had a really good meeting yesterday with my phone app guys. Here's what we're waiting on. Okay. And I know it's frustrating because we've been waiting. Apple and Google are taking their time approving our app and letting us release it to the public. So the app is done. The app is ready to go. We've played with it. I have it on my phone as one of the developers, but Apple and Google have not released it or not allowed us to release it or approved it so you can go to the App Store and download it. As soon as they do that, we're going to give it to you and you'll be able to download it and you'll be able to take advantage of everything that I'm going to share with you today. Now, before we get started, there's 2 things I got to go over. 1, if you have team members or prospects or people that are interested in trading, get them on this call, right? Get them on this Elevate. I'm quick. I'm only going to be here 15 minutes, so get your folks here. The second thing, if you're on Facebook, you guys already know where I'm going. The stars at the bottom help donate to our charities. So if you like what I say, or you just like me, or maybe just out the kindness of your heart, you want to toss us some stars, because every time you do that, you're helping feed a hungry child. Okay. And that is very, very, very important to us. And what we do as a company is giving back. All right. Let me share my screen because I know you guys are tired of me gibbering and jabbering all this nonsense. You want to get to the business. So let's share my screen and we're going to get to the business. All right. Where is... This is what happens, guys, when you have multiple screens. You can never figure out where you're supposed to be. All right. In the chat box, if you can see this screen and you see the black screen that says green elevate all over it, if you can see that, give me a 7 in the chat box. Let me know that we are looking at the same screen. And I know we are because I see it on Facebook. All right, perfect. Listen, here we go. This is the phone app. Now, what you're looking at today is a mock-up. This is not going to be the actual marketing site that we release. The actual marketing site is going to be very similar to the marketing sites that we have for iGo and Elevate and all. It's going to have the same theme, same type of stuff, right? So this, but what I'm showing you here, this is what the phone app developers made. This is what we have to submit to Apple and Google for us to get approval, and then we can switch it up and do our own thing. But here's what's most important. These little screenshots here, these are very, very accurate. You're going to be able to do this on Apple and Android. You're going to be able to download the platform and have access to our trade signals, which are going to look something like this. If you look at this photo, you see live trade. Now that's just a drawing. What you're going to see is the actual charts that one of the educators or one of the expert advisors has actually marked up and determined what trade we're going to look at. Now, will you get a chart on every single trade idea? No, you won't. But our goal is to have a chart with the majority of them. And here's why. We want you to still learn while you're copying the ideas or taking advantage of the ideas that we give. Okay, here's what I mean by that. In the phone app, you're going to see a little screen that looks like this one here. See where it says sell G pound in NZD? Everyone should know by now that that's the British pound versus New Zealand dollar. If you don't know that, you're not in class. That's a basic. You're going to see, it's going to say buy or sell. You'll see our entry point. You'll simply click copy, go to your MT4, click paste. Or if you're on your computer and you have your phone open, you can just type it in. But if you're on your phone, you click copy, go over to the next, click paste. That's simple. This little calculator right here, this calculator is going to allow you to click on it, and then you can put in the parameters of your account, and it'll tell you what lot size you should be using. Okay? It's going to tell you what lot size you should be using. It's going to tell you whether this trade idea is poor, fair, good, or excellent. And that's when it comes to risk. Poor is going to be the one-to-one risk. In other words, you're risking 1% to make 1%. Fair is going to be 1 to 3%. So you're risking 1% to make 3%. Good is going to be 1 to 5%. And excellent is 1 to 10%. So you're going to risk 1% to gain 10%. So if you risk 3%, then you could potentially gain 30%. But anyhow, you guys get the gist, right? You get where we're going with this. You're going, so you will be able to see. Now that's going to be based on your take profit. Generally speaking, we will have 3, possibly 4 take profits, and you will see them here. Take profit 1 will be 1 to 1. Take profit 2 will be fair. Take profit 3 will be good. You see where this is going, right? So if you just wanted to take one of the trades, pick which risk factor you are most comfortable with, click copy, put that take profit in. If you're like me, you're going to take all 4. I want all 4 to hit. So I'm going to copy each. I'm going to open 4 trades, 4 at the buy or sell market entry, right? And then I'm going to put 4. Each one's going to have a different take profit. So I'll have 4 open trades with 4 different take profits. That's me because I don't mind risk. If you're more risk adverse, then you have to decide what's right for you. Now, here's what's important, okay? What's very important here is right down here, and you can kind of see this, is where your chart's going to be. You will still have to go to the chart, look at our analysis, and you will have to determine whether you agree with our analysis or not. We're doing this for a reason. We want you to learn. You cannot consistently be dependent upon us, right? You just can't. It doesn't work that way. If you're dependent on us and something happens to us, you still haven't learned how to trade, which means you're still in the financial situation or bind that you were in prior to us, which is, I don't know how to trade, so I can't make money, right? All right, now we're here to help you. We're here to guide you. We're here to give you these trade ideas, which are geared to give you 10 to 20 pips per trade. That's the goal. Sometimes it'll be more. There might be a day you get 50 pips. Who knows? But the idea is to get you 10 to 20 pips. 20 pips a day keeps the bills away. Trust me on that. 20 pips a day, you can become wealthy. You just have to build your account up slowly. And as you build it up and you learn more knowledge, your 20 pips is going to be more value day after day, week after week, month after month. That's how it works. So we're not trying to replace us. We're trying to, what's the word I want to use? We're trying to assist us, make us better, make us more valuable, right? But at the end of the day, you should still be learning to trade. It does not matter how good the AI system is. It does not matter how good the signals are. It does not matter how many. You can be in 55 different set it and forget it programs, and they can all be making money. But the minute that they don't work anymore, you're still stuck because you never learned how to trade. So take my advice, listen to what I'm saying here. If you want to take trades, duplicate our trade ideas, by all means, take advantage of that. But if you're an intelligent human being, adult with family, kids, careers, and financial goals, you are going to learn this skill set in addition to, because this is a skill set that can never, ever, ever be taken from you. And the skill set hasn't changed in 200 years. Right. So if you guys are getting what I'm saying and you're feeling what I'm saying, give me a heart or a thumbs up or an okay. Give me something so that I realize you guys get what I'm saying. What I'm putting down, you're taking it. All right. Let me go to the next page. Okay. We are running a contest. The contest is going to be twofold. This is a broker-sponsored contest. Our broker of choice, we have 3 brokers that we use. The broker we use, Prevail, we use Lucor, and man, for the life of me, the third one is slipping my mind. It'll come to me. Prevail is sponsoring this. Because they're nope, we do not use LQDFX. I would not recommend them to my worst enemy. So no, we don't recommend them. If you were recommended that by someone, and like you have every choice in the world to use who you want, but us as a company do not recommend LQDFX. All right, so sorry, someone put something in the chat and I was just answering that. Here, so let me back up real quick so you guys understand something. For the longest time, we recommended Hugo's Way. We have pulled away from Hugo's Way 100%, and here's the reason why. We have had people that have had a very, very hard time or took a very long time to withdraw their money out of their accounts. Okay. Unfortunately, we don't own brokerages. We're not affiliated with brokerages. We don't run brokerages. We just partner with them. And so when things go wrong, sometimes you have to sever those relationships. And that's what we've done. We are not going to deal with a broker that holds our people's money hostage. Just not going to happen. So me personally, I had about 300 of my personal clients at Hugo's Way. I have pulled them all out. None of them are with Hugo's Way. I do not recommend them because if one person is having problems getting their money, several are. And in this case, we had several dozen people that were taking 9 to 12 to 15 days to get as little as $500 to $1,000 out. Okay. So with that being said, Prevail is the broker that is sponsoring our next contest. Okay, there are 2 categories to this contest. There is a demo category and a real money category. The demo category, you must have a $5,000 demo account, okay, that you'll get through them. And on the real money, it must be a minimum $500 trading account. You cannot enter this contest using another broker, whether it's LQD, whether it's Hugo's Away, Awanda, Forex.com. There's 1,000 brokers. This is a broker-sponsored contest. You must enter the contest through this broker. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So, number one in the chat box, let me give you this in case you guys want it. This is one of the registration links to register your account with the broker if you don't already have one, okay? I'm going to walk through the process so that you can see. When you click this link, this is what pops up, okay? It's going to say real. That's okay. That does not mean you're opening a real money account. It just means that this is a real account, okay? There's no option for demo at this point. So you're going to go in and you're going to put your email. And I got to think of an email. Hold on. Let me find a test email, guys. There we go. So you put your email, you put your password, whatever you choose for a password. You hit next step. It's going to be your name. I'm using my son. It may not even let me because he's not 18, but we'll figure it out here. Today he's going to be 18. Is this one of those weird ones that the date of birth is backwards? That's probably what it is, right? Okay. Sorry. All right. We are in Texas. Don't you guys be trying to jack my address and sending me hate mail either. I know you would never do that because you guys don't hate me. All right. Once you do that, you're going to click agree to terms. You're going to click I am not a robot, and you are going to sign up. Must be over 18. So let's go ahead, change that to 2,000 since it's just a test account that we're going to erase anyway. All right. This is the account that's going to come up. You're going to see right up here at the top, look up at the top, it says unverified. This is very simple. All you're going to do is click on unverified. You're going to go right here, double click that, and then you're going to pick your ID and upload your ID right here. That's all you got to do, and within 24 hours, you're verified, okay? Once that's done, if you want a demo account, you'll see this is live. You already have a live account that we set up for you when you register. Demo's right here. You will click on demo. You will click new account. You will slide over this arrow right here to the demo 5K create demo account. I want you guys to see really how simple this is. This is really super simple. Your demo account has been added. It's right there. You are ready to go, okay? If you're going to do a live account, you have a live account. Click deposit. You want to put deposit. This is a Bitcoin broker, right? So you're going to have to purchase Bitcoin, transfer the Bitcoin over to your broker. If you have a Bitcoin account already, Coinbase or whatever you use, you would simply click on Bitcoin. I apologize for the speed. And then there's your address, and you guys know how to transfer Bitcoin. If you want to do a credit card to purchase Bitcoin, you would do credit card Bitcoin, choose how much, do not pick MoonPay, they don't work in the US. And then you can kind of go through here and determine which one of these work for you. I honestly don't know that process because I have a Coinbase account, so I just transfer everything through Bitcoin in my Coinbase account. That would be my suggestion. It's the easiest, quickest, most efficient. All right, that's how you deposit funds in your account. It's that simple, folks. There's nothing else to do. Once you do that, you have your real account open, you have your demo account open, you're ready to go. Okay, so just to recap, today, phone app is coming out very, very, very soon, right? Very soon. We have Dream coming up on December 18th. We're probably going to do the announcement then. You'll be able to open your phone, download the app, and get going right away with our trade ideas. Now, remember with the trade idea, we're going to give you the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss for up to 2 to 4 different entries and risk levels. We're going to provide you with a chart so that you can review it and determine if you agree with our analysis or not, right? Then you are going to copy and paste our idea if you choose to take advantage of it, put it into your phone, and let it be. Will you win 100% of our trade ideas? Absolutely, 100%, no, you won't. Nobody wins 100% of their trades. So if that is the expectation, we got to change the expectation. Okay. The reality is, if you have proper risk management, which is 1 to 3% of your account balance, and you're entering these trades, even if we won 50% of them, you are still going to win, and you will win big. Now, through our testing phase, we're winning about 65 to 70% of our trades on any given day. Okay. You may not get trade ideas every day. You may get 6 or 7 a day, right? Every day is different because the market is different. We're just not randomly picking trades to throw out there. We're analyzing, we're looking for optimum entries, and when we find them, we're going to share them with you through the phone app. Now that is phase 1. In phase 2, you will actually have to click that you agree with our analysis before the ability to copy and paste pops up, right? Because again, we want you to learn. Number 2, broker sponsored contest. Oh, by the way, the winner on the demo account gets $500 in a real money account. The winner on the real money account will get $1,500 added to their real money account. So there are prizes, there are cash prizes for both contests. Now, if we hit 300 contestants, we are going to add more prizes, a second and a third place for each level. Okay. The rules, so Brandon, the rules will be released on Monday. You will have to attach your account to FX Blue. FX Blue is the program that will track your trades as well as run the contest for us. It's an automated deal. Those of you that have been in contest with us before, it's the same one that we used last time. We always use it because we can set our rules in and it goes. But I can give you some basics. Your drawdown cannot be more than 20%. You get 20% drawdown, no matter how much profit you've made, you'll automatically be eliminated from the contest. 20% drawdown. Your lot size will not be able to be any more than 1 lot. You can't trade more than 1 lot. And the biggest account is not necessarily who wins, because there will be some people who try to use US 30 and get a massively large account and think that they're going to win because their account is bigger. Nope, not how it works. We are going to go off a drawdown. We're going to go off of average percentage of win. We're going to go off average dollar amount of win. We're going to go off, I mean, there's several different things that we look at because we want to make sure that you guys are learning, okay? And as a matter of fact, for this contest, there is the possibility that I will not allow US 30. You have to use pairs. So if you've been trading US 30 and you haven't been trading pairs, you might want to start learning how to trade pairs. And the reason for that is pairs are safe, and we teach safety. If you want to use US 30 for your personal accounts and personal life, by all means, please do so. But we are trying to create great habits. So that's why we're putting these things and these stipulations and rules in these contests. So anyhow, all that will be out on Monday. So look for that. I will post it. I will post it everywhere. Everyone will get it. Everyone will get the rules of the contest and how to enter. But for now, get registered. Get your demo account registered. If you're going to do real money, get your real money account registered. Remember, real money is going to pay $1,500 to the winner. Demo pays $500. With that being said, I want you guys to have a fantastic weekend. We've got the holidays coming up. whatever religion you are, whatever holidays you celebrate, what we do know is that there's going to be some good food and some good family and friend time coming up over the next couple of weeks, next 6 to 8 weeks. So with that being said, you guys enjoy it. We'll talk to you soon. Be on the lookout, and best of luck. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Really quick, I want to show you this back office. It's very, very important that you understand the reason that I am promoting this is one of the services that we offer is the ability to subscribe and enroll in the Elevate Trading Academy. Very, very cool opportunity. So if you're a beginner, great place to start. It's like, what is trading? What does it involve? As Mr. Wright mentioned, we focus on trading pairs. That's Forex pairs. If you're not sure what Forex is, go Google it. It stands for foreign exchange. They do about $6.6 trillion a day in transferring money between banks. Very, very cool concept. So we actually learn what we call bank trading concepts or smart money concepts to trade. When you set up your account, there is a monthly tuition to enroll in the academy. That's not money that you're investing into the stock market. That's money to enroll in the academy to learn how to trade. One of the things he also mentioned is very, very important that you do understand learning how to trade, because you can jump on all of this stuff that's out there on the inner tubes. One of the reasons I like this process is you can jump on YouTube and watch YouTube videos from people that say this or that or the other, and there's plenty of courses out there you're more than welcome to enroll in. And I'm not saying this is the end all meet all course. I like it because when you actually go into courses, let's see if I can get this to come up. You can actually go into courses. They start you out with beginners basics. Ash Motive goes through, her name's Ashley. She goes through the beginners basics to get you from the very, very basic understanding what Forex is, walks you through the courses, about 4.5 hours in that. So not tons of time, but enough time to get you the basics. Then we also have what we call a prerequisite courses, which the instructors go in, and each instructor has a little bit different style on how they train. So you can go through and you can watch their courses, right? They have courses. The other thing that's very, very neat, they have this video vault here. And inside the video vault, each one of the instructors has videos that they upload based on what they trained for the month. So the month of November, say, for example, Remy, he teaches what we call Renkos. It's a smart money concept. There's also Aaron Fast FX. He teaches more of a bear naked trading type kind of concept, which is cool as heck. So there's a lot of different styles in here depending on what you think you want to learn. You can go through the courses here in the prerequisite lessons, figure out which educator that you want to plug into. You can also come back and listen to the pre-recordings if you can't be on the lives. Now we do have live classes every day. There's some type of live class going on, with the exception of Saturdays. Here, let me see if I can open this. For some reason, it's not presenting there. But this is the calendar, and you can see they have classes on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Some are beginners. They have beginners basics here by Ash, which is a live class, which goes right in conjunction with the recorded version. You've got the upgraded, what they call smart money, enter the matrix. You've got the fast start, which basically in this training right here, they teach you how to set up the MetaTrader 4 trading app. They teach you how to set up TradingView. They go through and answer questions so you know how to do all this. This is the reason I enjoy this platform, is because they take somebody who has absolutely no experience whatsoever. You can learn on your own pace. You can learn on your own time. You can schedule the time that you want to trade, and you can plug in. And now that they're adding the Trading Assistant app, now watch this, right? So I sit up and I open up TradingView, which is a very cool app that's got all the charts and all the pairs that here we're talking about here. Matter of fact, let me drag this over here and show you what that looks like here really quick. This is TradingView. This is a couple of pairs. This is the British pound versus US dollar. You'll see I've got a split screen set up here. And I learned all of this by going to the academy. This is the same pairs here. This is called the Bricks and Renko system. A little bit different deal. It's pretty cool. They've got indicators down here that help you track when to get in the market and out of the market. You'll notice I've got some crazy bars set up here. This is called a Fibonacci tool. That's a whole, man, that's just some math that's out of this world. But in all of this, learning how to do this, if you're brand new, you're looking at this saying, I can't learn this. Trust me, when I first looked at this, I was like, what the heck? But they teach you how to get in the market on a sell position or get in the market on a buy position. And like they said, in the app that they're going to be launching, here, I'm doing a screen share. I'm not even showing it to you here. Excuse me, let me try that again. I'm slow today, y'all. Let me go back. Here's Trading View, right? Here's Trading View again in the Trading View app that you can see. You can see here in the Trading View side that I've got a split screen set up here. And again, this is what we call candles with Wix. This is called the Renko system, which is very, very neat. And you can use these, and the instructors that are in the academy teach you how to use all this stuff. They teach you how to read the charts. They teach you how to get understand what the candles mean and what an institutional candle might mean. The guys that teach the Renko system will teach you how to read these so you understand when you should get in the market and when you get out of the market. And if a brick does a certain thing, that it possibly means this. Again, you get the awesome indicators that give you indicators to tell you when to get in and out of the market. You learn how to use all of this stuff, which is very, very cool opportunity to help you grow and make money. And the neat thing about this, once you learn this skill, no one can take it away from you. So it doesn't matter if you're from jail or from Yale. It doesn't matter if you're black, white, fat, tall, skinny, short. It doesn't matter where you come from. All you got to do is make a decision to enroll, get plugged in, start taking the classes. When they launch the app here in just a couple of weeks, they're going to launch the app. You're going to understand what you're looking at. So when you get ready to use your phone to enter a trade and that bad boy starts bouncing off and starts running trades, which is very, very cool, you'll have your money pop up. I don't know if you can see my phone there. No, this got a lot of glare on it. Anyway, you'll be able to see the money that you made, and you can watch that, and you can make $40 in a day. Some people have made $600 or $700 in a day. It just depends on where the trade is at, when you get in the market, when you get out of the market, and they teach you how to do all that stuff. So I highly recommend, if you're thinking about learning how to trade any kind of trading, Forex specifically, crypto, maybe gold and something like that. He talked about the US 30, which is a whole nother deal. That's a whole nother deal. But specifically Forex, which again is a $6.6 trillion a day market. It's real money. The banks trade it every day. Every time you go to the bank, every time you go to the grocery store, every time you do something with money, they're making money on your money. And what we do is we learn how to do what the banks do and make money on our money too. So I appreciate you. I love you. If you have any questions, feel free to call me, 314-498-7688. Text me first and let me know who you are before you call me so we can chat. Again, I can walk you through the back office. We can get you enrolled in the classes. You can get up and start learning how to make your money, make money with your money, right? I love you. I appreciate you. Jesus loves you. Absolutely nothing you can do about it. I'm on a mission to have no more empty refrigerators. Make an extreme impact to me, an equity creator. I hope you are too. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.